Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to upload Shopify product feed in Google Merchant Center. Now, if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe down below and let's get started. So as you can see, first you will need to add your business information. So when you're connecting Google Merchant Center to your Shopify store, this begins with providing your business information. So just go first, click on the tools and settings icon found on the top of Google Merchant Center interface. This is the icon right here. Then what you will need to click business information, and this will redirect you to this page. Just provide the details of your business and website. Next, what you will do is you will go to about your business right here. And as you can see, note, it's crucial that you fill out this accurately and to provide all necessary contact details. Not providing details or adding wrong information might lead to account suspension. So just make sure you do that, right? Now, step 2 is to import your product feed to GMC from Shopify, right? So what we're doing is we're basically importing our product feed to, Google Merchant Center from Shopify. So there are 3 ways to do this. You can manually add individual products to GMC. You can manually upload the product feed or automate feed creation and syncing with the app, which is recommended. Now, as you can see, this is the method 1, shopping feed ads from the Shopify App Store. So as you can see, what you can do is you can go to the Google channel, log in into your Shopify App Store and just go and find the Google channel app, add the app, right? And then navigate to the Shopify admin page and authorize the use of Google channel by clicking install app. And then once you're done, click Google account, connect Google account, and then indicate the Google account you wish to connect to your Shopify store. Review all the setup, right, requirements and stuff like that. And then after finalizing the setup, the products on your Shopify store will automatically sync with your Google account, right? The Google channel app will automatically sync your current Shopify products with GMC. If you check in your GMC account, you will see a feed called Content API, which looks like this right here, as you can see. This is the Content API, right? And every time you update something in your Shopify store, those changes are sent automatically to Google Merchant Center, right? Now, if you choose to use one of the other feed apps I mentioned, they'll work very similarly to the Google channel, as you can see. Now, there are a couple of other methods like going to the feed, and then adding primary feed right here, and then country of sale, language, and then going through the entire process of setting that up. You can do that if you want. It's very straightforward, but this is pretty much how to upload Shopify product feed in Google Merchant Center. So if you have any questions or comments, definitely comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.